Welcome to Excel in U. Let's look at using the Find feature and the Auto Sort feature in our worksheet today. The Find feature allows us to look up information within our data set quickly and efficiently. I will start by saying I highly recommend using unique identifiers like email addresses, phone numbers, account numbers, licensing information. These are data points that are designed to be unique identifiers, as only one individual, potentially in the world, can have that unique identifying data. To use the Find feature, we're going to come up to Find and select, choose Find, and we can start entering in the data that we want to search. Alternatively, I can use the quick button, Control F, to bring up that same window. When I start typing in my information here, the more general the information, oftentimes the more data points it will find. For example, the number 123 is utilized multiple places just within my short data set. So when I click Find Next, you'll see in the background this phone number has been selected for me. If I click Find Next again, we'll see that this account number also has a 123 in it. The name Alex is only used once in my data set, so when I choose Alex and click Find Next, the name Alex is highlighted. When I click Find Next again, there's no other points at which Alex is used, so it will not find anything else. Let's go back to 123 and click Find All. Now I have an additional drop-down within this window that shows me the exact location of every instance where the numbers 1, 2, 3 are used in this format. It shows me the book name, the sheet name, the cell value, which is column followed by the row, D3 in this case, and then the value itself where it found 1, 2, 3. I can close out of this window here. And now let's look at sorting our data. Sometimes sorting your data is a faster way of finding a person or data set that you're looking for. Two common ways to sort your data is alphabetically and numerically. To sort alphabetically, I'm going to choose the column header or the data within that column. Name in this instance. Go to Sort and Filter. I'm given the option of A to Z or Z to A. I choose A to Z, and now all my names are alphabetical, A to Z. I can do this in reverse by going Z to A, and there we go. You'll notice that the rest of the information and the rest of the columns moves with the data that has been organized. So everything for Mary is now in row 3, and everything for Alex is now in row 6. I can also choose to sort numerically by going to my number values here, selecting, and you notice that now it says smallest to largest or largest to smallest. I can click here, and now numerically 1, 2, 3 followed by the blank. I can also sort by date. This will say oldest to newest or newest to oldest. Oldest to newest actually starts with the oldest date, so this would be January here, then February, March, and then May. Newest to oldest starts with the date currently closest to today and works backwards. May, March, February, and January. This is a couple of ways to use Find and Sort to help you look up the data within your worksheets. Let me know how you use Find and Sort in your worksheets within our community. Have a great day.